So on the RV Coachworks, we have -3 to 0 on the suction line, and oh, now it jumped back up. Yeah, there we go. -3, -4, and we have 48 degrees coming out of the dash because inside the cab it's 64 degrees. So the expansion valve is located right at the black tape. The receiver dryer is easy to replace right there, and that will take care of that problem. On the 66 Mustang, compressor shaft seal, found that it was leaking under vacuum, put nitrogen in it, could hear it with the ear it was leaking, evacuated, filled up with refrigerant. System works, but the expansion valve on this one is open and it's not feeding correct on this one. So it's an expansion valve, compressor, receiver dryer. One hose is nicked. It's not leaking, but it's nicked. Flush out the condenser, flush out the remaining lines, flush out the evaporator, and it'll be originally back to the original condition. And this has been converted over to a thermal fluid driven clutch, where it works really good. So this has been sitting for like 30 years, so this is in excellent condition. Oh my God, like my old 66.